Hello everyone. Today we will learn Roman numbers from 1 to 100. So let's start. Roman numerals is a number system that was devised by the ancient Romans for the purpose of counting and performing other day-to-day transactions. Please also like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun-based learning. We will learn Roman numbers and number names from 1 to 100. Roman number and number name of 1 to 10 are So next is from 11 to 20. Next is 21 to 30. Next is 31 to 40. Now Roman number from 41 to 50 are Next are 51 to 60. Next are 61 to 70. Now moving on to 71 to 80. Next is 81 to 90. Now last one is 91 to 100. Hope you understood the Roman numbers from 1 to 100. Now it's time to test your knowledge. You will get 10 seconds to guess the answer of 3 questions. Question 1. Roman number of 40 is dash. Options are A. XXXXB, LXC, XL. Question 2. XCIX is Roman number of dash. Options are A. 89, B. 99, C. 49. Question 3. What comes between LXII and LXV? Options are A. LXIIA, B. LXIV, C. LXVI. Your time starts now. Time up. Correct answers are: answer of 1 is option C, answer of 2 is option B, answer of 3 is option B. Thank you for learning with us. Have a nice day.